Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install base trim before you lay your carpet. For this we're going to be using a 1x4 trim. 45-degree angles for our corners, 30-degree angles for our joints. A trim nailer hooked to an air compressor, and 2 carpenter pencils. The reason we're using 2 carpenter pencils is because they're about 1/4 inch thick. You can slide these underneath the trim, fasten your trim in, pull it out. When they come to put their carpet in, slide it right under and they're done. What you want to do is take your pencil, slide it in the corner, and rest your trim right on top of it. Take your other pencil, pick up the trim, place the pencil underneath the trim, and set it back down. You want to make sure that when you're doing this, you don't push down on it to trap the pencils underneath. You just kind of want to let it set there. Taking your trim nailer, press it back in the corner, make sure you're nice and tight, and put a nail 2 to 3 inches outside the corner, closer to the base. The reason you go close to the base is because there's a base plate, 2x4, that runs underneath inside the wall. You want to make sure you hit that or hit your studs going vertical. After you get that nailed into place, take your pencil, place it on the other side, push your corner back in there, make sure you're nice and tight, and nail it off, and remove your pencils. You want to make sure you use your spacers every step of the way. That way you aren't getting this wave in there. If your floor goes up and down where you place your pencils, it's going to follow it. That way it doesn't look all crazy when you put your carpet in. Now with your piece of carpet, what they will do is go up to it and just tuck it in underneath the baseboard all the way around. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to install trim before carpet. Thank you for watching.